Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about substitution method. If your question is not direct formula based question, then how you can solve it. So we have type 2 kind of questions in which we will be applying substitution method. And this method says you have to suppose a term from the given question only such that its derivative must be present in the question itself. So let's see. Here it is given integration of 2x by 1 plus x square. So this is not a direct formula based question and I am not able to convert this into direct formula. After simplifying, this will also be not convertible into direct formula based question. So here I will be applying substitution method. So what does it say? It say you suppose any of the term in from the question and whose derivative must also be present in the question. So say if I take let 1 plus x square equal to t, then differentiate it, it will give me 0 plus 2x equal to dt by dx. That means I have differentiated t with respect to x. This dx will go this side, so 2x dx equal to dt. That means this 2x dx value can be replaced with dt. So this complete numerator is now changed into just dt and this denominator can be just written as 1 by t. Now my given question is converted into another variable, but now I have got direct formula based question. So I can write it as 1 by t. Integration of 1 by x is log of x. So here it is given in t a variable, so 1 by t is log t. So I will be writing it as log t plus c. So this is the integration, and what I have to do, since my question is given in variable x, so I will be replacing or I will be substituting the value of t over here, 1 plus x square plus c. So this is my integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square. Let's see the next question. Here I told you, you select a term whose derivative is also present in the question. But here I am just having denominator and in the numerator I don't have anything. But I can write it as like this. I can take x common, so I will be getting it as 1 plus log x dx. Now, can I substitute? Can I suppose any term out of it whose derivative is already given in the question? Yes. If I take let 1 plus log x equal to t, then differentiate it, it will be log of x is 1 by x dx equal to dt. So in place of this thing, dx upon x can be written as dt. So I can write it as dt upon 1 plus log x is t. So it is again integration of 1 by t, which is log of t plus c. And what is my t over here? This is log of t is 1 plus log of x plus c. So this is my integration of 1 upon x plus x log of x with respect to dx. Let's see the next question, children. Here you are given with integration of sine x into sine. This is sine and this is theta. So here this is not given in direct formula based question. So I will be substituting a value from the question only whose derivative is also present in the question. So see, if I take this cos x, let cos x equal to t, then integration of cos x is minus sine, differentiation of sine x is, cos x is sine x. Here I can write dx equal to dt. How I am writing dx over here? Because I am doing differentiation of t with respect to x, so I will be getting here dt by dx. So that dx I am writing this side. So this is minus sine x dx. So for sine x dx, I can substitute as this is minus dt. So for this I can write minus dt. In place of sin x dx, I have written dt. Here I will be getting it as sine, and in place of cos x, I will be writing t. Or simply I can write it as sine t dt. Now my entire question has been changed into one variable. Children, always remember that this is the expression in x variable, and that's why you are integrating with respect to x. Here this term, these terms, or I can say this term has been changed into t. That's why I am that's why I am integrating with respect to t. So whatever is the variable here, you have to change into that variable only. Now integration of sin t is, you know, it is minus cos t. So minus cos t will make it cos t plus c. Now you write down the value of t. So your t is what? Your cos x. So it will be cos x plus c. So this is your answer. Integration of this will be cos into cos x plus c. Have a look. Let's see these questions, children. Here it is given integration of x into root x plus 2. So I can see it is not direct formula based question, and secondly I can apply my substitution method, which is not possible also here, because if I substitute x plus 2, then its derivative is just 1, and which is not over here. So what I can do here, I can change this x by adding and subtracting 2 from it, and then I can write it as like this. Now this can be written as further integration of x plus 2 minus 2 under root x plus 2 into dx. Now I can just separate it, multiply this with this and multiply this with this. So this will be 1 plus raised to power half. So x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2 dx minus 2 integration of x plus 2 raised to power half dx. Now this has come in direct formula based question. So I can write it as integration of x raised to power n will be x plus 2 raised to power 5 by 2 whole upon 5 by 2. So I am writing it here. Minus twice plus 1 will make it x plus 2 raised to power 3 by 2. I will be writing it as 3 by 2. That means into 2 plus c. So this will be the answer. 2 into 2 you can write it as 4. Okay. Now let's see here. So this is the question that I have done without substitution method. So simply I have simplified it. That's it. See this question. Here it is given 1 by x minus root x. Again I can not substitute. I cannot substitute anything over here. So I'll just simplify it. I'll take root x common out of it. So I'll be getting it as root x minus 1 dx. Now if I substitute this, let root x minus 1 equal to t. Then root x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. So this 1 by root x dx can be replaced with twice of dt. So I can write it as twice of dt, and this can be written as t. So this is again integration of 1 by t, which is twice of log of t plus c, which can be written as log. What is t? T is root x minus 1 plus c. So this is your answer. Let's see this question. Here it is given integration of x upon root x plus 4. So again, this is not in direct formula based type of question, and this is also not directly substitution type of question. So what I can do, I can add and subtract 4 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is root x plus 4. Now I can separate them, x plus 4 upon root x plus 4 dx. So now this can be written as dx minus 4 integration of 1 upon x plus 4 dx. Now this can be written as, this is raised to power 1 and this is raised to power half. So I can just write it as x plus 4 raised to power half dx minus 4. This can be written as x plus 4 raised to power minus half dx. So integrate it. This will be your x plus 4 raised to power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 down, minus 4. This can be written as plus 1 will make it x plus 4 raised to power half 1 by 2. So this will go up plus c. So this will be 2x plus 4 raised to power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 8x plus 4 raised to power half plus c. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Have a look.